Hello and welcome to Crypto Market Monitor. This is Manoj Dara. Cryptocurrency market continued to fall as a closely watched part of the US yield curve inverted Monday as investors dumped short-term debt on concerns that the aggressive rate hike will lead to an economic slowdown. Short-term yields that are higher than the long-term yields are abnormal and are historically seen as heralding as a potential recession. Concerns has been mounting that surging inflation will require more rapid Federal Reserve policy tightening, which in turn will reduce the consumer spending and business activity. A US inflation data on Friday rose to a fresh 4-decade high, surpassing economists. Bitcoin was down to 24,100, its lowest level since December 2020, while the Ethereum fell to nearly $1,200 on growing fears of the US tipping over into a recession. The global crypto market fell below $1 trillion and was at $970 billion, which at one point of time was at $3 trillion at its peak in November 2021. So crypto lender, there is one more news which you have to keep an eye on. Crypto lender Celsius, that offers users higher than average interest rates on their deposits, said it is pausing all accounts withdrawals and transfer, citing extreme market conditions. This is actually a big concern as far as cryptocurrency market is concerned, and investors are really bothered about this news. The firm had more than $8 billion lent out to clients and almost $12 billion in the assets under management as of May. This is actually a cause of concern of panic in the market. From its November 2021, if you see the top cryptocurrencies, the blue chip cryptocurrencies have Bitcoin is down roughly around 65%, Ether is down 72%, Binance BNB is down 65%, Cardano is down 85%, Solana fell 89% from its peak, DogeCoin is also down 92% from its high. Polkadot, if I can mention a few of them, is around 87% down. So if you see in today's trade, Bitcoin is down 14% and is trading at $23,613, which is down 24% in 7 days. Ethereum too fell by 17.34% and is trading at $1,215, and it has fallen by 36% in the past 7 days. IC15 index of cryptocurrency was down 14.5% to trade at 29,770 points. On my left, Binance BNB was trading at 14% lower at $222. Ripple XRP token traded at $0.31, which is down 11%. Cardano's ADA token too fell 12.5% and was trading at $0.45, falling 28% in the last 7 days. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading at $0.05, down 18% and 35% in the last 7 days. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $15.2, down 18%. And it has fallen by 44% in the last 7 days. Shiba Inu also was down 12% and traded at $0.0000774. Solana Sol was trading down by 17% at $27.32, falling 37% in the last 7 days. Polkadot was down 13% to trade at $6.72 and falling by 31.5% in the last 7 days. Polygon Matic too fell 17.2% and was trading at $0.42, down 34.4%. So let's get some technical view from our technical expert, Ayushi Verma. Ayushi, welcome on Crypto TV.
Thank you, Manoj, for calling me here. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin. So basically, over the time of weekend, we have seen there was a good sell-off in almost all the asset classes, and the sell-off can be seen in the cryptocurrencies as well. So the current price of Bitcoin is trading at 24,620, and we can see a lot more sell-off in the upcoming days now, because the range, that in that range, I think the Bitcoin was trading in the last 1 month or so. The price or the Bitcoin has already broke that particular area. So now it's coming downwards, and you can see that the price might fall up to a little lower level. So what could be the level? We will talk about that thing. So if you look at the overall trend, it's a complete bearish trend. RSI is at 28. Now there will be a lot of changes in the moving averages as well as the support and resistance levels. So 50 EM is at 31,960 and 100 EM is at 35,500. 200 EM is at 39,190. Now if you look at the support 1, which is at 25,800, support 2, which is at 22,600, resistance 1 is at 29,000 and resistance 2 is at 32,330. So let's quickly move on to the Bitcoin chart. Alright. Now this is the fall, that we were talking about, and if you look at here, you can see this area. I was talking about this area, and if you remember or if you have seen our previous videos, so I was I have mentioned this thing that now by looking at here and here, so this is a clear confirmation that the price might give you a downside breakout, and that exactly happened here. And currently you can see the support, which is looking the near support, which is looking at 22,600. So the price might able to take up that support, and from there we will again decide what's gonna happen. So it's like I think it is like around 8% down today. Yesterday it was down by 6%, and on day before yesterday it was around 2%, slightly more than by 2%. So there is a clear indication of downward trend, downward selling, and we can definitely see more selling in the upcoming days. So that is for the Bitcoin. And if you look at the Ethereum, almost the same situation is is there in Ethereum also. So currently it's trading at 1250. So that was a level which looks very attractive, because at one point of time we can see the price was actually hovering around a 2000 level in the recent times. Now it's coming downwards. The overall trend, it's a bearish trend. RSI is at 22. Now the moving averages levels are 50 EM is at 2080, 100 EM is at 2420, and 200 EM is at 2730. Levels में भी changes हैं यहाँ पे. So support 1, basically we have seen 1250, and support 2 is at 900. Resistance 1 is at 1510, and resistance 2 is at 1725. So let's quickly see the chart of Ethereum. Okay, so you can see the similar situation is there, but if you remember or if you have seen our previous videos, I was I have mentioned here, like the every time price is making the lower high, so that's a sign that the price might able to break this support area and you will see a good fall. So that was around 1724. At that time the price was taking up a support here, and currently it's trading at around 1250 or 1260. So the immediate support level is at 1260 somewhere, right? So now we need to see whether the price will take a support here, and what gonna happen. But as of now, if you look at the clear trend, so we can see the trend is the downtrend only, and that's basically the effect of the global sell-off that we have seen in the equities and in some other asset classes. So that is because of the selling. That could be the reason of selling here also. Now also, if you look at the the IC15 index, so which is you can see here, and if you remember, we have drawn a support level, and I think you would be able to see a good fall there. So let us quickly move on to the chart of IC15, and here we can see that. All right. Yes, so we have seen a sell-off here as well, because that's of course gonna happen, because that's a index for the major 15 cryptocurrencies. So you can see that if you are seeing a good sell-off in almost all the cryptocurrencies, so you will definitely see a sell-off here as well. So I have just I'll just quickly draw some levels here so that it will be clear to everyone. And if you look at here, so I'll just draw it like something like that. All right, now if you look at here, this is the daily chart, and I'll zoom it a bit. Yes, so this is something, the price has already broke this particular level, and it's currently trading at 33,675 levels. So this is something we can see here also. If you have seen this kind of momentum, so this was clearly telling you, technically it was clearly telling you that you will definitely see the price will break this particular support level this time. So this is something looks very interesting. Now let's see where can the price can take up a support. But of course, if the global sell-off continues to happen, you will definitely see more sell-off coming in the cryptocurrencies too. So this is all for today, and thank you so much for watching us.
Thank you so much, Ayushi, for giving this technical perspective. That's all there is in today's Market Monitor. This is Manoj Dara signing off. Until then, keep watching Crypto TV for more such interesting updates. Thank you.